Hello everyone. Well, thanks to those kind people at AO.com, I've got another Sebo Felix to unbox. In fact, this is the first Sebo Felix I've actually unboxed on my channel. I did quite a lengthy demonstration of the Sebo Felix Rosso a few years ago. You can check that out, one of my very long demos. But this is the Rosso, but it's the latest model. It's the lower energy machine. In that lovely, it's upside down. There we are. In the lovely red colour with this very striking filter design. Okay, let's have a look at what we get. I'll be doing a full demo of this very shortly. You won't have to wait very long to see this in action. So, of course, got the instruction book, and Sebo seem to now supply a little packet of Sebo fresh air fresheners. They're designed to go inside the dust bag to help prevent any nasty odours. You can also, if you want, put it underneath the dust bag, but they don't last very long in my experience. But it's a little extra thing that Sebo now put with, certainly with the Felix. I think they included it with my X7 as well. The first cleaning tool is a full-sized Crevice Tool. That's one of the, it's about 30 centimetre, 12-inch length Crevice Tool there, so not a horrible little short stubbly one you get with a lot of cleaners nowadays. Full size there. And then you've got your sort of upholstery and stair tool, little brush to help dislodge any threads or fibres. This little holder actually fits to the handle of the cleaner and enables you to store both the tools on the handle. I don't tend to bother, but if you want, it will hold both the tools like that and secure them to the machine. This is the Sebo Combi head. Just have to undo it. So this is an upright vacuum cleaner with a power head with a revolving brush, but if you've got any delicate carpets, if you've got, say, wool loop pile carpets, or you've got any lightweight rugs, and of course hard floors, instead of the power head you can actually attach the Combi nozzle. If you've got a lot of delicate flooring such as parquet flooring, you can buy an optional Sebo parquet head to fit this machine as well. So this is the sort of head you get fitted with Sebo cylinder vacuums. Straight suction. You've got a little bit of a metal plate there, two strips to help remove pet hair and threads and fibres, two wheels there and two wheels at the back, and there's a pedal that lowers quite a short brush at the back. So I'll be showing you this on hard floors. You can also use the power head on hard floors because you have the ability of turning it off. So I'll show you, when I do the demo, I'll show you the results of this on a hard floor and also using the power head. So let's take the cleaner out. Very smart looking vacuum. This is the hose. This needs to be clicked into the top of the machine, and then the handle part goes into the base. And finally, an extremely good power head. Now this is called the Sebo Felix E-Power, so it's the very latest low energy machine. So this is the ET1 power head, and it's an exceptionally good cleaning head. It's ideal if you've got pets, because these spiral brushes are pretty rigid. They really do pick up the pet hair well. But of course I'll be showing you all that in the future demo. So there we go, that's the power head. And before I assemble the cleaner, we'll have a quick look at the EU energy label. So this is the Sebo Felix Premium Rosso e-Power model 90813GB. It gets an A rating for energy use, using on average 27.5 kilowatt hours per annum. It gets a C rating for dust emissions. It gets a B rating for dust pickup from carpet, a C rating for dust pickup from a hard floor, and it's 79 decibels. Assembling this cleaner won't take long at all. In fact, it will be fully assembled in just 2 short steps. First of all, we need to attach the power nozzle to the main unit. So basically, just lower it in until it clicks into position. Next, we need to connect the black end of the hose into the top of the cleaner until it clicks into place. And then push the handle end of the hose into the hole at the base of the dust bag compartment. And finally push the hose into the carry handle at the side of the machine. There's a swivel hook here and a fixed hook at the top of the handle to store the 9.5 meter mains cable. Before I end this unboxing and first look video on the Sebo Felix Rosso, I'll just point out its main features and functions. Ease of maintenance is one of the advantages of Sebo cleaners, and the Felix is no exception. Starting with the power head, you can turn it over. If there's a blockage, there's a little access port here to enable you to clear out any blockage. This cleaner is ideal for pets and people with long hair, but of course, as you know, the hairs can often get wrapped around the brushes, and to maintain the performance you need to keep the brushes clean. This can be done very simply without the need of tools. There's a little button here that you press, which removes the end cap. That just comes off, and then you simply slide the brush out, which makes for easy cleaning and maintenance. When the brush is out, you can also make sure that the cavity is clear. The power head features an adjustable dial for various types of carpet. You also have a power head on-off switch here, and an automatic cutout that switches off the motor should anything become trapped in the brush roll. This lever here allows you to adjust the handle height in a choice of 3 positions. The on-off switch at the top of the handle also incorporates an electronic speed control. There's an indicator at the top of the bag housing that alerts you of a full bag or a blockage. The Felix has a 3.5 litre 3-layered bag that's easy to remove and replace. Well, that's about the end of my unboxing and first look at the Sebo Felix Rosso vacuum cleaner. If you want any further details and current pricing, click on the link below, which will take you directly to AO.com's website. The full demonstration of this cleaner will be on my channel in a few days, so don't forget to subscribe and you'll be updated when that video's ready. If you've any questions or comments about this cleaner, please ask in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.